How to naturally treat back pain at home with no side effects at all. 100% organic and very natural. In today's video, I'm going to show you the recipe you are going to use and apply on your back so you can never have back pain again forever. I know a lot of people are facing this problem around the age of 40, 50, 60. Back pain is really a huge problem. So sit back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful herb you are going to use on your back pain and you will never have it again. So you guys, if you know cloves are not just remedies. Cloves are not just a spicy. Cloves do a very big work when it comes to healing. Cloves are herbs. So I'm going to show you a very good way you are going to use cloves and heal your back pain forever. So you will never have it again. Okay, so if you don't know cloves, you can find them in a grocery store. You can find them in local markets, and I will also put a picture of it here. So what you are going to do is to find cloves and then find olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you get the original one. If you get the fake, this is not going to work for you. And for the cloves, you have to find cloves, not cloves powder or not cloves oil. This is not going to work for you. Get cloves and olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. The second thing you're going to do is to put them in the blender, as you see me do here. Mix them together, add olive oil and smash them until they are smooth. That is what we need, okay? Smash this recipe until it is smooth. If you have back pain or have been having back pain for quite some time, once you do this, you will never have it again. I've been doing this for so many people and people are having changes and all of them are feeling good or they are in good condition. So I said, why not come here and share this with you guys. If you feel this video is helpful, kindly do me a favor and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. As you guys can see, you are going to straighten this because this is what we need, okay? So you are going to keep that in fridge for about 3 days, or you can just keep it in a cool dry place for about 3 days. After that, before you sleep, apply on your back and massage very well. Massage on the areas that you always feel pain, then sleep. You can do this for a period of 7 to 14 days, and once that is done, you will never have pain again, or you will never feel any back pain again. Cloves are such powerful herbs. They are very useful because they have been used for quite some time, and few people know about this, that cloves are medicine or cloves do this. Cloves are very powerful when it comes to treating back pain or fixing wounds or fixing bones like that. Yes, everything you have to use cloves in our body. They are very good. They have no side effect and very natural. So this is made by God, so do not get scared about using it. A lot of people have been asking me this question, how they can treat back pain, and I was wondering why not come here and show you guys the method you are going to use. So hope you find this video. If you are having back pain and you find it very helpful, please try it and you will never have back pain again. I hope you heal yourself. This is the Golden Bosom channel once again. Please kindly subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Share it with your friends and see you in my next video. Bye.